Today is day one of the trial for Ivan Smart, the man accused of sexually assaulting a woman on State Street last year.
Prosecution and defense attorneys gave opening statements in court. Brady Mallory shows us how each side is shaping up their case. Brady?
And we want to warn you, some of these details are hard to hear. Now, during opening statements today, prosecutors said the woman said she felt like she had been hit by a bus after the alleged incident. Smart's defense, though, says if jurors do their jobs, they will find his client not guilty. In July last year, the woman says Smart and another man grabbed and touched her without her consent, forced her into a car, drove away, and says Smart assaulted her. She fought back and got away. Assistant District Attorney Dan Rice's statement focused heavily on the woman's story of trauma and says physical evidence and witnesses will prove his case. Smart's attorney, Adam Welch, questioned the woman's memory from that night of the alleged assault, and he also claims DNA evidence is inconsistent.
And when you've seen and heard all the evidence in this case, we're going to come back before you and we're going to ask that you do justice.
Keep track of all the reasonable doubts, whether they're ones that I suggested or ones that you thought of. And at the end, talk amongst yourselves when you go back to deliberate and ask yourselves, have all of these reasonable doubts been ruled out by the state?
Getting to this point has been a bit of a journey. In September 2022, Smart was found incompetent to stand trial. However, during a second hearing a few months later, he was deemed competent and the case was allowed to proceed. Court resumes tomorrow.
Brady, thank you.